A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. So today in this video I'm going to tell you 3 things that you must avoid in this Ramadan. Number 1 thing to do is to stop uploading iftari pics on social media and stop extravagance and overindulgence in iftari. Because one of the virtues of the fasting is to make realize the fasting person the hunger and thirst of the poor and to be ready to solve their rights and problems. So if you are remembering the hunger and thirst of the poor people, then you should stop extravagance in iftari. Then you should stop uploading pics on social media because many people ain't privileged to eat those kind of delicious food. Just stick to simple iftari meals. You don't have to show off, you don't have to do extra because you are remembering poor people, their hunger, and you can't remember them by having so much of delicious meals that the poor people can afford. It's not haram to eat it, but do not show off. The extravagance that is sometimes witnessed in such occasion, that is forbidden. Number second thing to avoid is it is related to extravagance and overindulgence is that people do overeating in this month. Too much of eating. Overeating is not appreciated in our religion. First, you are eating food in bulk, and second thing is that most of the times your food is unhealthy. So don't do that. Just stick to quality over quantity. Just limit your food. And number third thing you must avoid this Ramadan is sleeping all the day. No doubt there is reward in sleeping of a fasting person, but it doesn't mean that you sleep most of the time during the day. You wake up late in the morning and sleep late at night. That's not a good schedule. Your night is for sleeping, not the day. If you want to sleep during the day, just sleep for an hour, not more than that. So stop wasting your time because time is precious. You can read the Quran, you can read Islamic books, you can watch Islamic content instead of sleeping. This month is month of improving yourself, to upgrade yourself spiritually. So this is the best time where you can change your schedule, where you can change your bad habits. So first off, try to sleep early at night and try to wake up early in the morning. And then you can utilize your morning by reading Quran, by doing your work. And in the afternoon, if you want to sleep, you can sleep for an hour, read the Quran, read Islamic books, just try to learn new things. Because this is the month where you can come closer to Allah, so try to learn about your religion. So this is how you can spend your day without wasting your time. So inshallah in this month we'll try to improve ourselves and avoid certain things and try to be more closer to Allah.